Namaskar. Good morning and a warm welcome to the parents, students, and teachers, and all the viewers who are watching this show. Myself, Mrs. Sajita Sudhir, counselor and teacher at Vani Vidyalaya, Mulund, Mumbai. RAA, that is Regional Academic Authority, that is Pradeshik Vidya Pradhikaran, presents Vyavasayik Vata, Pragaticha Disha. This is a very useful and wonderful initiative by the government of Maharashtra for the students of standard 9th to 12th for giving insights about different careers, the qualifications, the nature of work, the scope, and many other details related to different careers. As a part of this initiative, today we have with us Advocate Upasana Pandey, who is an advocate at High Court, Mumbai. Welcome, Upasana Pandey, Advocate High
Good
Court.
morning, Namaste.
Good
Thank you
morning,
so much for
Namaste.
inviting me and being a part of this particular moment and being a part to the journey of the student's life and towards their motivation. Thank you so much for
Yes.
inviting me.
Thank you. Thank you for being with us also. Also, I would be very glad to share that Miss Upasana is also my ex-student, and it's my proud privilege to interview her on behalf of RAA Mumbai. Welcome once again and thank you.
I'm blessed.
Before we
Thank
begin
you.
with Before we begin with the formal interview, let me share a brief description about Upasana Pandey and her career. Miss Upasana Pandey, she is an advocate at High Court, Mumbai. She has completed her BLS, LLB, LLM, Diploma in Cyber Law, PG Diploma in IPR, and PG Diploma in ADR. Her career profile. At present, she is currently an advocate at Messrs. M. Tripathi and Company, Mumbai and Navi Mumbai since February 2012. She has worked as an associate professor at Thane Law College from August 2013 to May 2015. She has also been a judicial intern with Honorable Justice Abhay Oak, Honorable High Court, Mumbai. She is affiliated to the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa. Her specialization areas are civil and criminal litigation, arbitration and conciliation, real estate, intellectual property law, cyber law, and family law. Coming to her professional qualifications, she has completed her BLS, that's Bachelor of Legal Sciences from the Government Law College, Mumbai University. She has done her LLB, that's Bachelor of Law from the Government Law College, Mumbai. And she has done her post-graduation LLM, that's Master of Law in Criminology Law from Pune University. She has got additional qualifications too. Diploma in Cyber Law from Asian Law School, PG Diploma in Intellectual Property Rights from Mumbai University, and a PG Diploma in Alternate Dispute Resolution. Thank you once again for being a part of the show. Let us start with the formal interview. My first question is, why did you choose law as a career, or what motivated or inspired you to take up law as a career?
My father, he's a legal advisor to the government council. So I was motivated by my father. And after looking his office, it was one of the motivation for me, like being a lawyer, having panels of advocates working with you. Then you have to visit to the Bombay High Court, one of the leading premises where people generally think whether I should go inside or not. Being a lawyer only, they are having the motivation. Other rest of the people, they are having opinion. Neither to visit to the doctor, nor to the lawyers.
Right, right, right. So your father was your role model in choosing this career.
Yes.
Very good, very good. My next question: what kind of aptitudes and skills are required to pursue law as a career, and what professional qualification is needed to become a lawyer?
See, we have to have the knowledge of the general knowledge and the society, what actually going on. As in childhood, we keep on learning the customs, traditions, then civil laws, like we have civics, history, geography. So these
Correct.
are the things which we are like very much involved into our curricular activities and into the profession of law. When I say geography, it will come into the picture of the jurisdiction, what we
Correct.
call in the legal term. It will be as per the area bifurcated and different courts would be there. One thing. And secondly, when I would be coming to the history and civics, so they are the nature pattern of our society, how it was working, how the current scenario is, how the people are segregated from the layman to the constitution.
Okay.
So basically, how we are going to work is as per the hierarchy system. We layman, then political, and then the judiciary, like legal, executive, judiciary, and legislative are the three things which we have to keep in mind. And while studying, like from the basic, how we have been brought up from the tinyhood till the adulthood. So
Correct.
each is inculcated into us like a dharma, and
Hmm.
dharma becomes a part of the law, and it's one of the like you can say it's a part and parcel of the law. So when you do anything, so ultimately either it's wrong or right.
Correct.
So on that basis, the law will come into picture. If it is right, then it is as per the situation of the society. If
Correct.
it is wrong, then you are punished for that. Then
Right.
people
Right.
they are getting punitive action, punishment. Then
Correct.
legal action will be initiated against them. This is one scenario, how the law is to be inculcated and how the things are there. Secondly, as far as I would be saying, towards the professional thing, how you have to like pursue the law field. So after there are two things. Either after 12th you can opt for the law, or after graduation like TY, BCom or BA or BSc after the
Okay.
degree colleges. So these
Okay.
are the two things. If I'm like I have pursued my BLS LLB after 12, I did my big like SYJC in commerce, and after that I have opted for my law from Government Law College. So
Okay.
at that time, CET was not there. It was on the
Okay.
merit basis.
Right.
Now,
Right.
since 2017-18 onwards, we are having CET,
Right. Right.
Maharashtra CET for the law admissions. So a student who is opting for the law, I would prefer that they should go through the legal awareness,
Hmm.
society awareness. They should read the newspaper. They
Right.
should be aware about what actually happening in the society.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so
Yes. Yes.
after 12, they can opt for the MSCT exam, and
Correct.
after getting selected in the CET, then their mark would be included as per their merit. So,
Okay.
like both the things are getting considered, merit as well as the CET marks.
Marks. Okay.
And accordingly, they are going to get the admissions.
Okay.
And after TY, like after degree, again you have to opt for the CET. You
Oh,
have to clear the exam and you can enroll for the law admissions.
okay. So there are two pathways to reach
Yes,
the
after
law
12
field
and after
after 12th
degree.
or after degree. Okay. And in both the
Yes,
cases, nowadays you have the CET. There is no direct admission, right?
yes.
So children, just be clear that you have a CET. You have a national CET also, I heard. There is a national
Yes,
CET
but
also,
state-wise, it's like first
state-wise.
preference system because
Okay.
state-wise.
Okay. So you have a national as well as a state-wise. So if you take this
Yes,
state-wise CET, that would be better for your state-wise admissions, right?
yes,
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
yes.
That's a very useful information. Now, we would like to know what are the specializations available in law as a career?
See, there are various fields. It's a vast when we come like how you go for the medicine.
Right,
There are
right.
various fields, ophthalmologist, cardiologist. Like that way in law also we are having several different vast fields. Even in the civil, we are
Correct, correct.
having different segregation branches.
Correct,
For
correct.
example, in civil, you are having real estate, you are having arbitration, you are having civil disputes.
Okay.
Okay, family matters. All these things will come into the civil law. Apart from the civil law, if anything is punitive in action, where punishment is involved, and any criminal action would be taken, then that will go into the crimes. That is
Okay.
criminology. Okay. Then apart from this, there are various different. Now we are having intellectual property right pertaining to the patent, copyright, trademark. Like
Okay.
this
Okay.
pen, it is Parker, so there would be a trademark of Parker.
Okay.
So, like that way, we are having this IPR, intellectual property right.
Okay.
Then we are having arbitration, like different countries they are having dispute. Then one country would be acting as a mediation into that as a mediator. So there would be mediation to settle the dispute between the two countries. Same way
Okay.
between two people, there would be like dispute and we have to resolve it. So
Correct.
arbitration is also into very form nowadays. Then we are having specialization in the family matters, like husband-wife dispute or any relative is involved in the matrimonial issues. Those things are there. Then apart from that, we are having cyber law.
Yes.
Like today being IT country, we are having so many disputes and so many things linking up with the hacking with somebody's personal portal which is getting leaked up, like WhatsApp chats or
Correct. Correct.
videos, emails, everything is getting viral. So there should be some punitive action for that. So cyber law, IT related actions, all these things are included into the cyber law. So
Okay.
there are like different fields. And it's not only limited to the court purpose.
Court.
It's like you can work in the bank, you can work into the arbitration, you can work into various fields like government department.
Okay, so that is something very new. It's a new information. Like we, as a
Yes,
common man, would
it is
always
very
feel,
vast.
right, right. We would always feel that the lawyer only works in a court of law. But then you have really given us something useful to think about, something new, that lawyers can
Yes.
work in so many other fields. Thank you. Thank you for that information. Next is, what is your nature of work? Like, how does your work happen?
I work into different field of the matters. For example, I basically take more matters pertaining to the family laws, matrimonial dispute, then real estate, civil law, as well as crimes. These three are my major specification in which I am specialized.
Okay.
And
Okay.
apart from this, we deal into the arbitration.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. So then what are the various processes that are involved? Like in short, if you could know what is your work
See,
exactly, what all things do you have to do?
I basically deal into the litigations. I
Okay.
go to the court, we fight for the client, then write,
Okay.
we bring whatever, like suppose what is hampering you, what has been bothering you, the issues, the crux of the matter. Like if any
Okay.
2% has been fighted for the murder
Correct,
or
correct.
for the property, then
Right,
we
right.
have to put out the case why this particular case is there.
Right, right, right.
So we go, we fight for it, and there is like different stages of the matter. First is the filing, then we have to summon the other side, they will come to the court, then they will
Okay.
file their reply, then we have to conduct with the trial, then argument, and then finally it will be decided.
Okay. So that's a long process.
Yeah, it's a long process, but it depends on the cases also. Sometimes the
Okay.
cases get settled in between.
Okay.
Sometimes it takes 6 months, sometimes it takes 6 years, sometimes it takes 20 years,
Okay.
depending on the matter.
Okay. Okay. That's again very important information. Next is, how did you evolve professionally in your career? And for moving ahead in your career, do you require any special skills, aptitudes, or capacities to move ahead?
Yes, yes. Basically, we have to be very much focused, determined, and persistent in nature.
Right.
Until or unless we are focused on a particular brief, the matter which our client is giving to us, we would not understand the gravity and the crux of the matter. For
Correct.
understanding that, we have to have a deep knowledge. We have to understand the law. We have to understand the point. And in law, the main thing, like if we are going for the medicine, for example,
Correct.
in medical, what happens? we study and keep the books aside once we come into the practice.
Correct.
Okay, or until or unless there is some different cases. For example, now COVID situation has come. So now the doctor will take their anatomy and other Harrison books to go through it to understand what to do in this particular moment.
Correct.
Otherwise, the same common medicine would be used and utilized in a different molecules.
Correct.
But in law profession, what we have to do is we have to study till the end of our life or till the end of that particular matter. Because each case is little different, though it may be similar in nature, almost similar in nature, but it will be little different somewhere.
Right.
So for proving that point, no, we have to go through the situation. We have to bring the precedent, earlier cases, the judgments of the High Court, Supreme Court, based on that particular situation, to prove our point. To bring that particular status or particular issue before the court and highlight that situation. And if that case is little different, that will become one of the landmark cases.
Okay.
And that would also be a precedent for the others. So for each matter is very important for each lawyer.
Right.
Because what we have to do from the lower court, it goes to the sessions, district court, then to the high court, then to the Supreme Court. There is a hierarchy. How we have hierarchy at our family.
Correct.
Grandfather, father, then we. Same way, lower court, higher court, then Supreme Court. These are the hierarchy which we have to maintain.
Right.
So if anything is getting disturbed at the lower court, it's having a repercussion till the Supreme Court. And we have to maintain it and we have to balance everything at the ground level. So for that, thorough reading is very important.
Right.
Then determination, as I said you, if you're determined, I have to put on this particular case very nicely. I have to present it. Then again, along with the determination, you need to be in a form of particular presentation. You have to present yourself properly before the court. You have to put the cases of your client before the court.
Correct.
The client is through your mouth. So your mouth would be very proper in this situation to function so that you can bring the right properly before the court to get the right survived of your client.
Okay. So that means you
so
are
the main thing is determination, persistence, focus, and your ability to understand the things. For that, you need to be thorough reading. You have to do thorough reading.
Right.
And focus is very important. And after all this thing, as you have studied the law, and it is inculcated in you, like this particular thing is to be done in a particular format. So law thoroughness of the law is very important. The cases studies are very important.
Correct.
And in law field, the most you read, the more you will understand.
Okay. That means you are a learner for life.
Yes, learner for right, and each case is different in each situation. We can't compare one case with the other. The only thing we can compare is the situation.
That's right. Okay, the common situation.
Yes.
Okay.
And it's all about the number of years of experience. How much you're involving yourself into it, you're getting more.
Okay, so experience counts a lot.
As per my age increases, I would be earning more as well.
Correct.
Because of my experience and the knowledges.
Correct. Okay, that's very important. As you said, the determination and the focus is a very important aspect of pursuing law and taking each case as a challenge. That's what I understand.
Yes.
Okay. That's important, children. So those who are thinking of pursuing law, see that you are a learner for life. Then you will really flourish. The next question, a very important question. Did you face any challenges in your career? And if yes, how did you overcome them?
As you have said that just 2 minutes ago, that each case is different. And you are a learner for the lifetime.
Correct.
So same thing happens. We get challenges in each cases.
Right.
Some challenges are like very easy for us to cross it out. And some we take the help of our seniors or the qualified person who are there to train us. Sometimes it happens like it's a thorough study. Like for example, Jeth Madani sir. He has been he has been a guide to too many students, law professionals.
Correct.
So
Correct.
same way we are having a motivations, we are having a motivators. In this
Correct.
case, what happens whenever we get stuck, we have to study, and our main guide is our book.
Correct.
Our main mentor is our book.
Correct.
Our main pusher is our book and our knowledge.
Correct. Correct.
So each is like whenever we keep like stuck
Ha
somewhere,
ha 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 ha.
or in the cases where some judges put you some questions, first of all you have to be thorough with your case, with the
Hmm.
fact, with the merit of your case. If that is stopping you somewhere,
Hmm.
then that particular point is to be read thoroughly. If suppose this is the situation, how you are going to do? If B is the situation, how you are going to do? If C
Correct.
is the situation, how you are going to do? Then
Correct.
how you're going to combat with the other side's response. Like
Oh.
one person is not going to argue. There is like plaintiff and defendant,
Correct. Correct.
accused and the state. So
Hmm.
complainant and accused, two persons, two parties are there for the argument. So
Hmm.
considering that, you have to understand a particular case in the both aspect, like how
Hmm.
you're going to defend it, how you're going to protect it,
Okay. Okay.
and
Okay.
how you're going to combat with the questions raised up by the other side.
Okay. Okay. Very interesting. Okay. Uh, the final question, which children would
Yes.
be really keen to understand. What is your advice to the students who wish to pursue law as a career?
See, for me, it's a very noble profession. And to the students who are really interested in pursuing the law, I would be suggesting it's one of the best profession. And
Mm-hmm.
for all the students who is going to opt for the law, I will be wishing them a very good luck and
Mm-hmm.
prosperous life, because this profession is making you healthy, wealthy, not only by your pocket, but with your brain as well.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. The
Uh-huh.
situation, what happens, like it's a matter of experience, I said you. Initial
Mm-hmm.
3 years once you pass out,
Mm-hmm.
initial 3 years to 5 years is the study period for you to understand the court procedure. Once you
Mm-hmm.
are followed with the court procedure, how the filings are done, how to put up the cases, and
Correct.
how to go on with the matter. Once you
Mm-hmm.
understand under like being with some company or with being with some seniors, then you
Mm-hmm.
understand the situation, how to stand and how to present yourself before the court, which is very important in law field.
Mm-hmm.
Initial 5 years is the learning period.
Okay.
After 5 years is the earning period.
Okay,
Once
okay.
you learn, once you learn properly, you start earning and learning both the things.
Correct,
And you
correct.
know how the particular case is going to be in a particular situation, because already a person would have seen in 1 year a particular case similar to the other case in after 5 years.
Correct, correct,
Getting
correct.
it?
Hmm.
So in this 5 years, it's a molding period. Either you
Mm-hmm.
can become a great, beautiful person, or you could not. So
Mm-hmm.
better in the 5 years, what you have to do, like molding yourself in a proper lawyer form, instead
Mm-hmm.
of being just into the clerical mind. Some
Mm-hmm.
people, what they do, they take the degree and they just sit in the office.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so they're not getting molded properly. They are not getting advised properly. They are
Mm-hmm.
not investing their time properly into the field.
Mm-hmm.
Getting it. So
Right,
for a
right.
lawyer, first of all, I would suggest, if you want to pursue law, you have to become a lawyer. Then do practice, do come into litigation, do give right to the people who are suffering, because we
Mm-hmm.
are a part and parcel of the social service as well. To the society, we are rendering a lot.
Correct,
We
correct.
have to tender our life to the society. We are fighting for the people who don't have the rights, who
Correct,
is
correct.
lacking somewhere. We have
Right,
to
right.
bring them. Yes, we have to bring their life as well as right to the life before the court or before the proper authority to safeguard them. So
Mm-hmm.
many people are there. They are like arrested
Correct,
for
correct.
a tiny thing. Like after fighting, they got arrested, but they are not aware what to do,
Mm-hmm.
and they're into jail only for a longer time, suffering because they don't have advocate, they don't have the money, they don't have anything to help them out to bring out from the
Correct,
jail.
correct. Correct.
So in this situation, what we do, we help them out, we make their right protected. And like this, where many cases are there where we have to safeguard the right of the senior citizen, the females, domestic violence who are getting suffered from the domestic violence, harassed. So there are
Correct.
many
Correct.
different fields in the law profession. And as far as earning, which is very important for any student, like they choose the career only on the basis of the earning. Like they
Right.
want to
Right.
become engineer because within 2 years they are going to earn into lakhs.
Correct. Correct.
They want to become a doctor because they want to earn in a more amount of lakhs.
Correct. Correct.
After a period of time, they want to establish their hospital.
Correct.
They want to learn something and they want to earn more and more. But in the law field, what we have to do is initial 5 years, we don't have to think much about the money. We have to think much about ourselves, how we are inculcating law, how we
Okay.
are developing ourselves. Once we are framed properly, then we can frame the society. We can frame the
Correct.
right of the people properly.
Correct.
And
Correct.
then nobody can stop you from earning.
Right.
Then doctor's amount, then engineer's amount would be secondary, and lawyer would be the first person to earn more and more in the society.
Okay.
It's all
Okay.
about the number of years of experience. How much you will put it, you're going to get it into return.
Right. Right. So the investment gives you the returns.
Yes, and
Investment of
investment of
time,
knowledge.
knowledge and time.
Investment of knowledge, investment of time, you have rightly said it,
Yes.
and investment of focus in your career with a goal and aim.
Okay. So investment of time, knowledge, and focus gives you the returns after the
Yes,
initial few years. Okay, that's a very
yes.
important advice given to the children. Students, I think you better understand this point, very important point.
And
And
one more thing I would want to add, ma'am.
mm-hmm,
It's not only limited to the court only, like people who is intended to pursue law. They
mm-hmm,
want to work in a company, they can go into corporates as a
okay,
corporate lawyer. They can
correct.
go into arbitrator as arbitrators.
That's
They
the
can go
scope.
into family court also, like as a counselor or something like that. They can opt
Mm-hmm.
for the government jobs also. They can become
Okay,
judges also after
correct,
giving
correct.
the exam MPSC, JMFC. They
Okay,
can clear that, and there is like after like pursuing the law, you can have a various branches to inculcate. It's not limited only to the court.
okay. The
You
scope is
can go for
vast.
the IL. Yes, many things are there.
Okay,
Earlier, people used to think only they have to work in the court. Now there is various branches in the bank. You are like appointed as a legal advisor. There is
right, right.
advisory
Correct,
to the
correct.
government. You can give.
Right, 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 right. So the scope for a lawyer is unlimited, we can say, right? From the
Yes,
banks to the government of India to the companies, everywhere, wherever there is a legal issue, a lawyer is needed. So it's not only the court of law, but every place there is a scope for a lawyer. So it's just the focus
right.
that's needed and the determination, and then you are there. Is that right?
True. True, ma'am. I agree with you.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Advocate Upasna, for being here, for sparing your precious time and giving such important inputs and enlightening our students. And I'm sure the students, the parents, the teachers, and all our viewers will really take advantage of whatever you have said, whatever inputs you have given. Thank you once again on behalf of
It's my
RAA.
pleasure. It's my pleasure you have given an opportunity on this platform. And I just pray that student who is opting for the law, they should go and they should start practicing, give something to the society.
Right, right,
And it's
right.
a noble profession, it's very rich, and it's going to affect you and mold you confidently in the society.
Correct, correct, correct. Uh,
And all the best to everyone.
thank you.
And God bless all with all the careers they are opting, and especially if they want to become a lawyer, I'm always there. If any of the guidance is required, they can contact me, ma'am. You can
Okay.
give my numbers to them.
Okay, okay. That would be put in the descriptive box too. Okay. Thanks a lot
Okay.
once again. As I said, I'm sure the students would really enjoy this show, and it would really have improved upon their knowledge about a lawyer's profession. Children, parents, as well as teachers and viewers, whoever are watching this show, if you have any doubts, queries, or suggestions, you can mail us on the mail ID given in the descriptive box. The details are given in the descriptive box. Also, if you want to get more information about various innumerable careers available throughout this world, the careers, the qualifications, the nature of work, etc., then you can log into the website www.mahacareerportal.com and log in with your details, and you will get innumerable information about careers. The details of this portal is given in the descriptive box once again. Also, this portal is designed and prepared by the initiative of Government of Maharashtra, UNICEF, as well as Asman Foundation. Also, do like, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel of Pradeshik Vidya Pradhikaran, that is Regional Academic Authority, Mumbai, for more inputs about these shows, which will be telecast thrice in a week. So, for now, before we meet again, it's bye from me and Advocate Upasna. Be safe,
Thank you.
stay healthy, and take care. Thank you all once again.
Thank you.